Hi Asad, this is Biplavi speaking. This is my daily checklist video. So today is the first day of this week. So we're working as well as in the morning. And first of all, I check my all detail in my mail and check out over there. Today I send a mail to BRK for a new file. So maybe tomorrow I will get the file. I am thinking so. So then I go to my today's work detail. Today I work on process state and Uber suggest. I completed all the methods in Uber suggest and also work on process state. I set up another step 5 part 2 from here, and also open the SQS Emacs bill. So now today in the morning I do advertisement of KGG, but in the evening I cannot do that. Maybe something is problem over my site, maybe, or something over their channel. So this is work actually. Today I follow your instruction. I do not do any advertisement of 178. So I also work on potential rental people. Someone, his name is Mark, and I set it his information in the rental channel, so please check out over there. So this is all of my work today. So thank you for watching my video.